Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this informative video, we will guide you how to obtain your Affinity cellular account number and PIN as well as transfer PIN. So to another carrier, we understand that this process can sometimes be confusing, but why not? As will we provide you with step-by-step instruction to make it easier for you. So by the end of this video, you will have all the necessary information to smoothly transition Affinity cellular service to a new provider. So let's start. How to get Affinity Cellular PIN account number. So you get your account number, PIN, and transfer PIN only by contacting their support service. Then dial this number of their Affinity Cellular provided by the. So this number is 1-833-679-1090. Then follow the prompts to connect with the customer service representative. Then request assistance in obtaining your account number and PIN. So alternatively, send an email to Affinity Cellular at this email address help.affinitycellular.com. So this then after this we have to clearly set your request to your account number and PIN in the email. So include any necessary account verification detail are requested. Then to get your transfer PIN for Affinity Cellular, once you have to get the account number and PIN, request for a transfer PIN. So Affinity Cellular doesn't have a porting department support number. So in stated you have to contact with their porting department via following this email address support at the rate affinitycellular.com. Then request for transfer pin. So thank you for watching video. I hope this video is very helpful for your Affinity Cellular to change their another provider. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in the next video.